Welcome to the Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create auto-generated captions on your TikTok videos. So if you're recording a video on TikTok and you want to enable caption, then let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and open up your TikTok app. Next, you want to tap on the plus sign here to post a video. Now you want to make it to 15 seconds. And now you want to go ahead and post a video. And here you want to speak as well. So this is a Simple Dad. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like this video if you found it useful. And don't forget to turn on the bell notification. And now once you've created your video, on the right hand side you'll see all the tools. Here you want to go ahead and tap on the down arrow. From this toolbar here you'll see caption. Go ahead and select that. And now this will automatically detect your speech and create captions out of it. As you can see, it's currently set to American English. If you tap on that, you can set it to British English, Dutch, Spanish, French, Indonesian, Chinese or Japanese, and many other languages. So select the language that you want, and then it'll auto-update itself. Now on the right hand side, you can edit the text as well. If it hasn't detected the speech properly, you can go ahead and edit the captions. And once you have edited, go ahead and press save at the top right. Now just next to that, you have the text, so you can customize it with colors, the style, the font size, and if you want it on the left or on the right or in the center. Now press save once you're done with that. And if you don't want this, go ahead and press the bin. Now if you're happy with that, go ahead and press save at the top right. And now you've created the caption for your video. So there you go, that is how to create captions on your TikTok videos. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.